Welcome to this tutorial on verifying your PayPal account. Verifying your account is an essential step to ensure the security and functionality of your PayPal account. In this guide, we will walk you through the step-by-step process of verifying your PayPal account. First, you need to log in to your PayPal account. Once you are logged in, click on the Summary tab and look for the section that says your account is unverified. Click on the Get Verified link to start the verification process. You will be asked to confirm your name, address, and other details. Make sure the information you provide matches the details on your identification documents. PayPal requires you to provide a valid government-issued identification document, such as a passport or driver's license, to verify your identity. Next, you will need to link your bank account or credit card to your PayPal account. This is a crucial step in verifying your account, as it allows PayPal to make a small deposit into your account, which you will need to confirm. To link your bank account, click on the Link a Bank Account tab and enter your bank account details. Once you have linked your bank account, PayPal will make 2 small deposits into your account. These deposits are usually less than $1 and will be used to verify your account. You will need to check your bank statement to find the exact amounts of these deposits. After you have found the deposit amounts, log back into your PayPal account and click on the Confirm Bank Account tab. Enter the 2 deposit amounts and submit the information. This will confirm that you are the owner of the bank account and complete the verification process. Verifying your PayPal account has several benefits, including increased security, higher spending limits, and the ability to withdraw funds to your bank account. It also helps to protect your account from fraudulent activities and ensures that your transactions are secure. In conclusion, verifying your PayPal account is a simple and straightforward process that requires you to confirm your identity, link your bank account, and confirm 2 small deposits. By following these steps, you can ensure the security and functionality of your PayPal account and take advantage of the benefits that come with having a verified account.